At the heart of production, infrastructure, and transportation organizations are maintenance teams, working to ensure smooth operations and minimize production downtime. But challenges like employee skills gaps persist, leading to increased outsourcing and hindering productivity and efficiency, driving up the cost of maintenance. It's Vector Solutions' mission to help you create a workplace that is safer, smarter, and better. Our online training solutions are designed to close skills gaps, reduce time to competency, and elevate maintenance proficiency and reliability. Featuring the largest course library and cutting-edge 3D animation, specifically designed for maintenance teams, our electrical maintenance topics help troubleshoot and repair complex circuits, while mechanical maintenance courses cover the ins and outs of working with pumps, valves, shaft alignment, and machinery diagnostics. Facilities maintenance courses ensure comprehensive maintenance coverage of HVAC, plumbing, and building systems, from continuous improvement to basic and advanced rigging to forklift operations and arc welding. Our depth of content ensures your team is ready to take on the next maintenance task. Our courses are also designed to address language obstacles, guaranteeing comprehensive training for every worker. And when paired with our industry-specific learning management system, you can assess employee competencies, create learning paths, assign courses, and track training progress to drive consistency across your organization. Today is the day. Join other industry leaders who've experienced the transformative power of our training solutions. Empower your team. Elevate your organization. VectorSolutions.com